Are you looking for the best gaming console in 2026? Whether you're into stunning 4K graphics, family-friendly gaming, portable handhelds, or immersive virtual reality, we've got you covered. In this video, we're counting down 7 of the best gaming consoles available right now, including PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, Steam Deck, ASUS ROG Ally, and MetaQuest. We'll cover the key features, strengths, and ideal users for each one, so you can find the perfect gaming system for your budget and playstyle. Let's jump in and see which console deserves a spot in your gaming setup. The PlayStation 5 Slim remains one of the most popular gaming consoles for a reason. It delivers impressive 4K gaming performance and can even support up to 120 frames per second on compatible TVs and monitors. One of the standout features is Sony's ultra-fast SSD, which dramatically reduces load times and helps games start almost instantly. The PS5 also includes the DualSense controller, which uses adaptive triggers and advanced haptic feedback to make gameplay feel more immersive. The Disc Edition allows you to play physical games and Blu-ray movies, which is great for collectors or gamers who like to buy and resell physical copies. Another major advantage is backward compatibility with most PlayStation 4 titles, giving you access to a huge library of games. If you're looking for a powerful, all-around console with excellent exclusives and premium features, the PS5 Slim is hard to beat. The Xbox Series X is Microsoft's flagship gaming console and is built for serious 4K gaming. Powered by a 12 teraflop graphics processor, it delivers impressive visuals, smooth gameplay, and high frame rates in many modern titles. Inside, you'll find a fast 1 terabyte SSD that helps reduce load times and improves overall performance. One of the biggest strengths of the Xbox ecosystem is backward compatibility. You can play many Xbox One, Xbox 360, and even original Xbox games on this system. The Series X also shines when paired with Xbox Game Pass, giving players access to hundreds of games through a subscription service. It even supports cloud gaming for added flexibility. And if you use your console for more than gaming, the built-in 4K Blu-ray drive and streaming apps make it a great entertainment hub for the living room. If you're looking for a more affordable way to jump into modern gaming, the Xbox Series S is worth a serious look. While it targets 1080p and 1440p gaming rather than native 4K, it still plays the same current-generation Xbox games as the Series X. The updated black model includes a much larger 1 terabyte SSD, giving you significantly more room for digital downloads. Since it's a digital-only console, all of your games are downloaded directly to the system. One of its biggest advantages is its compact size. It's smaller, lighter, and easier to fit into bedrooms, dorm rooms, offices, or entertainment centers. Pair it with Xbox Game Pass, and you'll have access to a massive library of games without spending a fortune. For budget-conscious gamers, the Series S delivers a lot of value. The Nintendo Switch OLED continues to be one of the most versatile gaming systems available. What makes it unique is that it can function as both a handheld gaming device and a traditional console connected to your television. The biggest upgrade over the original Switch is the vibrant 7-inch OLED display. Colors appear richer, blacks are deeper, and games simply look better when you're playing on the go. Nintendo's legendary exclusive franchises are another major selling point. Games like Mario Kart, Zelda, and Super Mario continue to attract players of all ages. The detachable Joy-Con controllers make local multiplayer simple and fun, whether you're traveling or playing at home. Plus, expandable micro SD storage makes it easy to carry a large collection of games. For families, casual gamers, and portable gaming fans, the Switch OLED remains one of the best options available. The Steam Deck OLED is essentially a gaming PC that fits in your hands. Designed by Valve, it allows you to take your existing Steam library wherever you go and play many of your favorite PC games without sitting at a desk. The OLED model improves upon the original with a brighter display, smoother visuals, and improved battery life. The version featured here includes a generous 1 terabyte SSD for storing games locally. One feature PC gamers will appreciate is the console-style SteamOS interface, which makes launching and managing games surprisingly simple. The built-in trackpads and gyro controls also provide extra flexibility for games that normally require a mouse. And when you're back home, you can connect it to a monitor or TV using a USB-C dock. If you already own a large Steam library, the Steam Deck OLED offers incredible value and portability. The ASUS ROG Ally takes portable gaming a step further by running a full version of Windows. That means you're not limited to a single storefront. You can access Steam, Xbox Game Pass, Epic Game Store, and many other PC gaming platforms. The system features a high refresh rate 1080p display that helps games feel smoother and more responsive. Powering everything is an AMD Ryzen processor designed specifically for handheld gaming performance. ASUS also includes its Armory Crate software, which makes it easier to launch games and manage performance settings. For gamers who want even more flexibility, the Ally supports docking to external displays and can even work with external graphics solutions. The ROG Ally is ideal for gamers who want a portable gaming PC experience and don't mind a little extra customization compared to traditional consoles. The Meta Quest 3S is a different kind of gaming device because it's a standalone virtual reality headset. Unlike traditional VR systems, you don't need a gaming PC or console to start playing. Inside is Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor, paired with 8 GB of memory, delivering smooth performance for VR games, fitness applications, and mixed reality experiences. The headset features a high-resolution display with support for refresh rates up to 120 Hz, helping create a more immersive experience. Full-color pass-through technology allows you to blend digital content with your real-world environment, opening the door to mixed reality gaming. The Quest 3S also includes Touch Plus controllers and access to the growing Meta Quest ecosystem, filled with games, entertainment apps, productivity tools, and social experiences. If you're curious about virtual reality and want an affordable way to jump in, the Meta Quest 3S is one of the strongest options available today. And there you have it, our picks for the best gaming consoles of 2026. The right choice ultimately depends on how you play. The PlayStation 5 delivers incredible exclusives. Xbox shines with Game Pass. Nintendo dominates family gaming, while Steam Deck, ROG Ally, and MetaQuest offer unique, portable, and immersive experiences. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews, gaming gear, smart devices, and buying guides. Also, check the links in the description for more information on every console featured today. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!